Hey everyone, it's Julie here. Hey, I want to go over little things that we do at our job. We have a business called All About That Grout. Want to show you how you get the dark grout lines to get light again. So let me show you a little bit. We use a product at Lowe's called Grout Renew, Home Depot, Grout Renew, Grout Refresh. You can get it in the floor department at any one of those stores. I want to say when we started this business about 11 years ago, it was about $9 a bottle. It is almost $20 a bottle now, but it works great. So what we do, I want to turn you around and show you this a little bit. So here the lines are dirty, and what we do, I already have my mixture. I just got a little bit. This is called Warm Gray. It comes in a bottle. Grout Refresh, Grout Renew. It's in the floor department, Home Depot, Lowe's. But I put it in a little bowl. I get a toothbrush, put it on there, and watch this, y'all. Put it on here like this. Let it stay for just a little bit, and you're going to have to learn your grout. You don't want to wipe too soon because then you'll get it off your grout line. This one over here is already done. You can see the difference between what's dirty and then what's clean. So over here's the one that we were working on. I'm going to let that sit just a little bit. Then I have a bottle. It's just Fabuloso and water. So you can use vinegar and water, but you just spray that, and then you take your rag, gently wipe it off, and then you can, there you go. They have it in all colors. They have white, they have like a bone color, they have gray, they have dark gray, they have black, but you can see how that's dirty. You just take your Grout Renew or Grout Refresh, put it on here, let it set. The one thing that you don't want to do is leave that on your tile because you'll be scrubbing for days. But you just work with it just a little bit till you learn when you need a wipe. And there you go. Don't use any chemicals and stuff like that because steam cleaners, yeah, it will clean it, but it will leave it discolored because grout is porous and it can't pull all of it out. So if you use the Grout Refresh, Grout Renew, this is the best stuff, y'all. It has the sealer in it too. I'll turn you around again to show you, but it's about almost $20 a bottle, and one bottle should do a really good sized kitchen and have some left over. The only thing that I'm asking you not to do is don't leave it on your tile and don't wipe too soon. You're going to have to learn it. There's companies out there that does it. If you're in the DFW area, call us, 214-846-1096. Look us up on Facebook, All About That Grout. But let me turn you around. So you can see this area here that I've already done. This right here is dirty. So if I took this again on my toothbrush, so you can see all that's been done. That right there hasn't been done. This over here has been done. You can probably see the difference right here. Dirty, clean. I'll do it like this. Yeah, but you can do all colors. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment and I will answer it for you. But it's pretty simple, y'all. Grout Refresh, Grout Renew at Home Depot or Lowe's is about $20 a bottle. And just get you some knee pads, butt pads, whatever, because you're going to be on the floor, or hiring it out. There's company, just look them up. It says grout cleaning. just don't use the steam cleaning. Sorry, people that are in the business of steam cleaning, but the grout is not for steam cleaning. It needs this restain. All right, thanks y'all. Bye.